Hello, boys and girls, it's me again. This time, we're going to try some math. But guess what? Nothing new. We already talked about it yesterday. Today, you're just going to keep practicing the same skill of telling time on a clock, okay? So today's lesson wants you to, this is Thursday, wants you to continue practice time to 5 minutes. And you're going to do pages 173 and 174. Easy peasy. So, thank you, Jose, for sending me your work on paper. 173, let's see, 173. This packet is a little long. All right, here we go. This is 173, so we're looking at the clock hands again, and we are writing the time. So just remember the shorthand tells you the hour, and that is the first number that you will write. The shorthand tells you the hour. Annabella, you want to tell them what the longhand says? Hold on.
And the longhand means the minute hand.
And tells you the
minute.
The minutes. Okay, so shorthand, hour, that's the first number you're going to write. Okay, then the longhand tells you how many minutes has been within that hour. Okay, so let's look at number 1. All right, let me get my little painty tool. Let's look at number 1 and let's see where the shorthand is. So I see the shorthand right here. Whoa, that is really thick. Let me just put the size down. Okay, I see the shorthand right here. All right, and it's kind of like in the middle of 8 and 9. It's not on 9 yet, so that means it's still 8 o'clock. Okay, so it's 8 o'clock. That's the hour. Bear with me as I write this. And if it's too dark, if you do have the packet and you're trying to do this on here, it's way too dark to see the pencil, so you can write it up here on the top. And I put my 2 little dots right here. That's what digital clocks have. Okay, so 8 is the hour, and then let's figure out what the minutes are. So I see the minutes right here pointing to the 3. Remember, we're not going to write 3 because that's not really how many minutes it's been. 3 does not mean 3 minutes. If you go to this little line, that's 1, 2, 3. This would be 3 minutes if we count one by one. But if we're looking at our numbers right here, 3, we have to count by 5s. We have to count by 5s. So 1 would be 5. Okay. Excuse my writing. 2 would be 10. We're counting by 5s. And what is the next 5? 3 would be
15.
If you said what Annabella said, you are correct. 15. So guess what number we're going to write for the minutes?
15.
15. You are correct, guys. If you said 15, give yourself a high 5. Or kiss your brain.
When we do awesome jobs on this class, we kiss our brains.
Yeah, we also kiss our brains, right? So 8:15. Awesome. Now, if you are doing this at home, I want to show you how you can do it on a piece of paper, okay? You don't have to draw the clock. If you want to draw the clock, that's fine. You can totally draw a circle and a little dot in the middle like this, see? And then you can write all the numbers around. But the only thing I really need you to do is to write the time like it's asking you to on that paper. So I'm going to write number 1 so I can write down my time. And I'm going to write 8:15 because that is the time that is showing me on the clock on top. You see? 8:15. And then when I get to do number 2, I'm just going to write number 2 like that. And then I'm going to write the time that number 2 has. Got it? Got it? Got I got it. All right, so your job for today is to complete this page right here, and I will send you a screenshot of that as well so that you don't have to rewind this video too much. But you have to complete this page right here, and then this page as well, 174. All right, guys, I know you will do excellent work. I know this is going to be super easy DD for you, so you're going to do great. Okay, I'm so proud of all that you're doing. I'm so proud of everybody who keeps doing their math work, doing their reading work. I'm so proud of you guys trying to do iReady, trying to do reflex. Be really, really, really nice to your parents. Listen to when your parents tell you to work. Okay, don't give them a hard time. Everybody's just crazy to go back to school, just like I am. But right now, we just have to stay home and healthy. Okay. Bye, guys. Miss you.